Top 3 video players for iPhone users. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the top 3 video players for iOS users. So without any further ado, let's begin. So these are the 3 video players I'm talking about. The first one is VLC Media Player. Now this is a really popular one for Android users too. So you can simply import your files here. You can play them. You can use your local services. You can use the cloud services as well. You can share via your Wi-Fi too. You can even add favorites on this VLC Media Player. So you can import your files and videos here to watch them. The other one is called KM Player. Now this is also a really similar one. You can import your files. You can even connect to your iTunes from here, and you can watch video free. So yeah, that is the second one. The third one is called Infuse. Now this is a really cool one. You can add your files like in the others too, and here you can even sync with your iCloud. Now if you sync with your iCloud, you can simply drag your videos from your iCloud to Infuse and watch them. So yeah, those are the 3 video players. All of these are available in app stores and you can download them. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.